ever avoided drawing hands because you just can't get them right? What? Well, let me show you how to draw hands. I separate this tutorial into two parts, easy mode and hard mode. So let's start with easy mode. Let's draw the palm and the fingers. You notice the fingers' lengths are not the same, right? It should be like this. Then we draw a line until middle here and connect it to the top. And from here we can draw the thumb. Draw the palm muscle like this. And that should be good. Let's draw the back side. The palm, thumb, and the fingers. Keep in mind that the knuckles are down here. Let me show you where the joints are. For the first one, we split it in the center. And on this upper side, split it in half. But actually, it's not really half for the top. And how do we bend it? It's simple. It's like a square. And we split the three segments like a Y. And there should not be a gap in between. Let's draw the fist from the palm side. We draw the palm, the knuckles, and the fingers like this. And we can draw the thumb. And of course, we can lift any fingers we want to make different gestures. The back side, you get it right. Palm, thumb and fingers. One thing to keep in mind. Draw the fingers wavy like this from the side. Now from here, you got to practice and practice and practice until you're ready for the hard mode. Don't miss the upcoming hard mode part by subscribing and clicking the bell. Leave a like and comment your thought down below.